So now for the project, if you want to put a Android spray environments for your Eclipse, now we don't have that, then you can do Android apps. So what we can do, we can go to get the okay, so from the developer android.com SDK and installing to Eclipse as the plugins. So Eclipse has plugins that you can use and read the requirements. At least it has to be Indigo, something like that, the version of Eclipse. So you can go to help, install new software, and just copy and add that, right? So let's try that. Help, right? Install new software, and you have to do add, right? Pretty much gonna add that, and you just name something Android. Okay. So it's going to search for that as the plugins. Now, after you install plugins, you should have the environments ready for the Android development. So you may need to go through the configuration and troubleshooting if you happen to run into some errors. Okay, so we're gonna look at that after it's finished. So now when installing is done, you need to restart your Eclipse and pop up this configuration page. Okay, so you need to install the latest version of APIs in that target location. Accept the license. So this is going to be a plugins that you can use in Eclipse to develop the Android apps. And you start to see there's a menu showing the Android tools on the top after it is done. Okay, so these are the Android SDK build tools. So we have a couple of them installed, but the build tool is not installed. The tools and platform installed already. So we need to install more, very much. You can pick the versions. We could get the latest build tools 21.1.2, and this is the API documentation for Android SDK. Let's get that. It's optional. It's already installed platform. Alright, so these are the things that's going to install more. By default, it's picked for you. We have Google APIs if you want to use Google API and emulators. And these are the libraries. So those are the small APIs. So I'm going to just use the defaults now. Accept the license and install it. It's going to take a while to install, okay, before you can use that. Alright.